Auto drivers sat on a road blockade of Bishramganj Takarjala of Jogaibare on Monday, demanding for the repair of the road. With that, both sides of the traffic were stuck in the middle of the road. Auto drivers blocked the Jogaibare road on Monday, demanding road reforms. The road from Bishramganj to Takarjala is in bad condition for a long time. Auto rickshaws often break down due to bad road condition. All the money that the drivers earn by driving the autos on this road all day goes to repairing the autos. Drivers have to go home with empty pockets at the end of the day. A month ago, the auto workers had blocked the road demanding the renovation of this road. As so initiative was taken to repair this road for a long month, the road was blocked again on Monday morning from Bishramganj to Takarjala. Due to this road blockade by auto drivers, a large number of vehicles were stuck on both sides. At the same time, the DCM of Bishramganj subdivision and other officials assured the motorists that the road would be repaired soon. And with that, the road blockade was lifted.
Borok lama khalanya ko guri thangmani khalaya jinghainai baidyo tangai lama urun ma khlaipika. Chini gari maintenance nango masu 3-4 bar singtanga songsar solinai. Anga songsar solime asing kosto passenger bo kalai tengo lama khamani busango bura boya ru tui simaya onkologo sunse. Anga chino osubidar hangi sing lama makaso.
Thanai koyak mas ni sekarang to omono tasya blok kajak pika apor to bor kajak ni gosi kalang tangga. Tapi kajak ya amono tamu sana musung isa.
Sungbong no kogri thangmani nga kisa mentally ni kalang kha nga thang pika office PW office thangmani awa NDC ni ro da bun samuk sung saime ani so. Anga bong lo sunga sar no kogri kalang mala norok se thang labur tanya thang ni mani awa sung ni mote ma thang ni so. Anga borok tau phaira tung borok phage tam ni sapi bong lo sung job na kanata.
Tabuk sabun nasing tong lanjut kemna.
Sung tau laman engineer no nasing tong je khalai rong no borok kogri kalang tangai phayang.
Ke borok tabu phai tong nak.
Borok phai tong ko jiranya ni engineer phai tong ni khor mano.
Omo boy biang ru thangman.
Mo Bishramganj thega Jompoi road mo sungo kasuma ka Jogaibari ni biriso.
Bureau report, Chini Khorang.